Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Well, today I'm going to show you how I used my simple little circular saw and a wet dry blade, both that I purchased from Harbor Freight, to cut the slab because I misinstalled my plumbing prior to having the slab poured. With that being said, I simply put the saw at half depth, made my first cut, and then came back at full depth and made the second cut. The other thing that makes this job so much easier, other than getting a real size sledgehammer, is clear the sand out from underneath the area that you're going to be breaking out. So once you get it started, if you can reach your hand in there, pull that sand out, cut that vapor barrier, oh my goodness, this just goes so easy. So total time to get the complete cut, get most of the stuff cleaned out, just so I can move these two little plumbing fixtures, was probably right at about 4.5 hours. Again, taking my time, using the shop vac to collect most of the dust because I didn't feel comfortable using water around the saw, and then busting it out and getting things cleaned up. So the first day I was able to get the slab completely cut and the old plumbing parts cut out, or the old plumbing pipes cut out. The second day I installed the new plumbing pipes and repacked the dirt in around the new pipes. Overall, it really was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So the sink faucet drain is right there to the right, the toilet, and then the shower. That's just a quick look at it. Now it just needs a little concrete. Alrighty then. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed week. I'll see you next time. Take care.